Hello, YouTube. Hello, YWF. Hello, Matt McCoy. Hello, Night Train. So I got the message in the mail the other day. Apparently my first match in the YWF is against Heath Ledger's stunt double, Matt McCoy. Okay. You want the awesome one to step in and show this kid the ropes? That's fine. I know he trained amateur. I know he did all this stuff state-wise and, fighting in country fairs and doing all that stuff, and the beer drinking contest and the pie eating contest and the who can fuck the goat faster contest. But is he ready? Is he ready to reach into the sky to shake hands with the gods? Is he ready to face the shooting superstar? I don't think so. I don't. You want me to tell you how this match is going to go? Let me tell you how this match is going to go. Quick, simple, easy, ladies and gentlemen. This is how it's going to go. He's going to get in the ring. He's going to throw his fists in the air. He's going to have every drunk, tooth-missing hillbilly on his side. And then I'm going to get in the ring. The crowd is going to snap. And when the dust settles, when everyone is finally sitting in their seats, he will fall to the ground and beg me not to hurt him. He will plead with me not to embarrass him, that his grandma is watching, that his Uncle Billy Bob is watching, that little Sue Ann is watching. He can't be embarrassed in front of his family. Oh no, what would he do? But I'm an awesome person. I grant him a decision. He can step out of the ring, walk his happy lard ass back up the ramp. He can go back into the back. He can take a seat on the bench, and he can rethink the decisions that have led him to this night. And all the meanwhile, I will entertain the millions and billions and billions of the Awesomenites. And the match will be over before it even began. Matt McCoy, they didn't do you any favors, boy, when they put you in the ring with me. But that's not the purpose of this video. No. No, the purpose of this video is to call out this arrogant, self-centered, big-headed Night Train. I know what you've been doing, Night Train. I know how you've been flexing the muscles. I know how you've been lifting the eyebrow, removing your Kanye West glasses, and trying to move your way into the hearts and minds of the Awesomenites. They will not be swayed by your physique, because you're 235 pounds of pissed off dark meat, and you're gonna take on 260 plus pounds of pure, unconcentrated, unadulterated awesome. You're gonna take on a star. After I wipe the mat with Matt McCoy, After he's in the back calling grandma and saying, I just didn't have it in me. I just couldn't do it. After I'm done with him, after you had this little match with the Shadow Lord, Mr. Mancho, after the dust is all settled, you and I, we're going to have a word. And it's going to end with one of us not walking out of that ring. Now, they've been wanting me, and they've been asking me, and they've been begging me to hold off into Festival of Champions, to make it the match of the century. Well, I can't wait. I'm impatient. I've got adrenaline running in my veins. The star's coming, Night Train. It's coming hard, and it's coming fast. Are you ready to face the cosmos? Are you ready to reach that hand out to the mat and tap it? Because you're going to surrender before the match even starts. Don't test me. Don't play with me. You can keep flashing your fancy things at Chris Awesome's #1 fan. But she will not be swayed. The Awesome Knights will not be swayed. Now, I know a bunch of you are now wondering, who is this mysterious person? Who is this #1 fan? Who is Chris Awesome talking about? Talking about Chris Awesome's manager. I'm talking about the gorgasmic Danielle. Keep trying, Tim. Keep trying, Night Train. But I can hear it. I can hear it in the distance. Woo! Woo! Chuka, 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 chuka. You're coming. Woo! Woo! Oh, you're still coming. I can hear you. So sad how you sound. But there's another sound in the night sky. And it sounds like this. For the millions and millions of the Awesome Knights. For the billions and billions of the Night Train's fans who want to come over but just don't have what it takes. The sound in the night sky is awesome. I'm coming for you, Night Train.